Welcome to today's lesson where I will show you how to deal with comma-separated value files and how to filter larger datasets. Sometimes we will need to work with a comma-separated value file that is often generated by some systems. We start with copying data from Excel to Google Sheets. Need to select the entire column and choose the function from top menu. The function automatically detects the separator. However, you can manually change it in the pop-up window. In our case, there is no such need. We'll now add formatting and colors for better readability. Now we will add filters to this table. To do so, we have to select entire row and click Filter button. After clicking the filter button, a new icon appeared in each column of the line we selected. Now we will narrow down our table by title. For this purpose, select the word that interests us from the drop-down list. As we can see, the table returned to us rows with only the word we selected. Now we will be filtering by specific condition. In this case, we will filter all rows where the data value column is greater than 2. It is important to remember that the filter in the column with the title is still active, thus we are filtering already filtered data. We'll make one more filter, now with the less than condition. This way, from a table with several thousand records, we were able to filter out rows that meet all the established conditions. Thanks for watching and see you next time.